Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to view your blocked contacts in WhatsApp. If you want to manage and review your blocked contacts list, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. Locate the WhatsApp icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. In the main interface of WhatsApp, look for the 3 stacked dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to access additional options. Step 3. From the options that appear, tap on Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu. Step 4. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy to access the privacy settings. Step 5. In the privacy settings, scroll down and locate Blocked Contacts. Tap on it to view the list of contacts you have blocked. By following these simple steps, you can easily view your blocked contacts in WhatsApp and manage your list as needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you view your blocked contacts in WhatsApp effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.